Hello, my name is Julianna, and I've lived in Dayton, Ohio practically my whole life. Though I've lived in this area and had basic familiarity with it, it wasn't until I became a Dragonfly student that I was able to foster a really deep connection with my area. I started the Dragonfly program in 2023 as a member of the Advanced Inquiry program in affiliation with the Cincinnati Zoo and Botanical Gardens, and I'll be earning my Master's of Arts in Biology. The overall mission of my time as a Dragonfly student, what is called a master plan, was by becoming more involved in increasing tree and plant cover in my Dayton community and spreading awareness about the importance of plant biodiversity with each of my projects throughout the program, I aspire to increase the investment and involvement in ensuring high-quality green spaces with high plant biodiversity among all the community members I reach within my profession and my roles in this program. Much of my goals revolved around inspiring others with science and the world of plants amongst the guests that I interacted with within my role as an animal keeper at the Boonshoff Museum Discovery in Dayton, which explains why I have this beautiful box turtle king with me right now. With the insight that I gained from each project that I completed in the program, I transferred this to my professional role as an animal keeper by incorporating the information into the animal ambassador programs that we have each day. I'd emphasize how important Ohio's native plants were when I would bring out ambassadors like the eastern box turtle, the Virginia possum, and the eastern screech owl. By emphasizing this connection, I strive to inspire others with plants and animals as much as I have been inspired by the natural world myself. Being honest, I definitely would have considered myself primarily an animal person coming into the Dragonfly program, but after learning about the concept of plant blindness in one of my first classes, it really opened my eyes and showed me just how critical plants are in sustaining all life on Earth. To this end, I spent my time as a Dragonfly student addressing my plant blindness and community plant blindness by studying plants and their relationships with critical wild wildlife like pollinators and species from other parts of the world that equally depend on plants, like the arboreal kinkajou South America. Walking away from this program, the thing that I am most proud of myself for is that I volunteered at the Mission Mary Cooperative in Dayton over the summer of 2025. Here, I not only got to complete all my goals and being directly involved in increasing plant cover in my area, but also got to be a part of the process of growing healthy and affordable foods for members of the Dayton community. I am so grateful that I got to take part in this experience because this is where I've truly felt the most connected to the people of my area. On another note, I gained skills in gardening that allowed me to plant my own backyard garden, which I'm really excited to continue maintaining. As a longtime reader of the Animal Keepers Forum, I also had a great sense of pride that my article about species-specific behaviors of kinkajous will be published in the November issue of this year. I've been able to achieve so many of my personal goals I have set for myself, and I hold such a deeper sense of pride in my work. I owe so much to my peers in the Dragonfly program, along with the facilitators. They provided so much of the encouragement and motivation to complete my best work and to put myself out there when, before, I often struggled to take the first step. Though my time is ending as a Dragonfly student, I want to continue the work that I've started with my master plan. With any future career ventures, I want to continue inspiring others with wildlife and conservation. I want to keep asking questions about the natural world and launching studies to help answer these questions. And I want to continue participating in initiatives happening in my area to continue having a positive impact on my community.